In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate management reports using QuickBooks. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily create these important documents to help oversee your business operations. So, let's get started. First off, you're going to want to navigate to QuickBooks. This is the platform where all the magic happens. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL provided, or simply click on the bookmark if you've saved it for quick access. Once you're on their homepage, make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need to have the necessary permissions to access and generate reports. With QuickBooks open, locate the menu option on the page. It's generally easy to find and is typically situated on the main toolbar or at the top of your screen. Clicking on the menu is your gateway to all the features that QuickBooks has to offer. This section includes numerous options that can seem overwhelming at first, but with time and practice, navigating through them will become second nature. Now that you've successfully opened the menu, the next thing to do is click on the Reports option. Reports are a quintessential part of maintaining an overview of your business's financial health. They contain a plethora of data which can include sales figures, expenditures, and various other metrics pivotal for decision-making. By selecting Reports, you're preparing to delve into a more analytical side of your financial management. When you're in the Reports section, the next step involves finding and clicking on Management Reports. Management reports provide a comprehensive analysis and summary of your business's performance. These reports are particularly useful for meetings or when making strategic decisions about your company's future, as they compile information in an accessible and organized format. Once you're there, you will see an option to click on Plus Management Report. This button allows you to create a new report from scratch or use templates that QuickBooks provides. Adding a new management report is all about tailoring it to fit your specific business needs. Whether you want to focus on a particular time period, type of transaction, or any other metric, this feature provides the flexibility to customize reports accordingly. In conclusion, by following these steps, you will have successfully navigated QuickBooks to create management reports. Remember, these reports are vital in tracking your company's financial progress and planning ahead. Over time, you'll find this process intuitive and a significant asset to your business operations. Feel free to explore the various customization options available to get the most out of your reports. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting!